If you want points for this problem, you need to write everything in red. On Thursday, 30 students went to after-school tutoring. On Friday, 6 students went. What is the percent decrease in the number of students who went to tutoring? You are looking for percent decrease. That means your proportion needs to be the decrease over original equals percent over 100. How much did it decrease? Did it decrease 30 or 6? Neither one, right? We decreased 24. That is our decrease. Our original, well, we started at 30, so it goes on the bottom. We know 100 doesn't change. It says what is the percent? So percent is our x. Now let's solve the proportion. 24 times 100 equals 30 times x. Now you have an equation to solve. So you're going to divide by 30. That leaves x on this side and 80 on this side. So 80 is up here. 80 is our percent. Is that the question it's asking? Yeah, it says what is the percent decrease? Done. Number 8, last year 80 students signed up for a summer trip to Washington, D.C. This summer 50 students have signed up to go. What is the percent decrease in the number of students? So again, you're looking for the percent decrease. How much did it decrease? Well, it went from 80 down to 50. So it decreased 30 students. And we're looking for the percent, so that's our x. Is our original 50 or is our original 80? Yeah, 80. So let's multiply 30 times 100. 80 times x. Now you have an equation to solve. So you're going to divide by 80. That cancels out. And I don't know about you, but I can't do that in my head. All right, already, I'm not finished yet, but can I tell what answer choice is my answer? The first number is 3, so it can't be C or D, and my second number is 7. So I know that 37 point something is going to be my answer. I don't even have to finish working. Learn to be lazy, guys. You only have 3 minutes a problem. Oh my goodness. Number 9 was so much work. And I cannot tell you how many people turned in their test early without doing the work. If you don't pass by one question because you chose not to do the work when you had time, aren't you going to feel silly? The question says, which of the following represents the smallest percent of change? So that means you have 4 scenarios, and every single one you need to have what percent of change there is. Oops, not 100, silly me. So for A, I have to see 6 1/4 pound and 8 pounds. That means on your paper somewhere, and I know you don't have a ton of room, but somewhere that you're going to turn in, I need to see you subtract 8 minus 6 1/4, which you have memorized. That's why we take those quizzes every Friday. And then a proportion to match it. For B, a painting was originally purchased at $650, now has a value of $875. You've got to do the same thing. This was A. For B, I already forgot my numbers. 875 minus 650. I just realized I made a mistake on A. Sorry guys, we gotta go back. Hopefully you didn't make the same mistake. 6 1/4 goes on the bottom. It's the original. Hopefully you are all sorts of upset because I got it wrong. Hopefully. That worked out better anyway. All right, back to B. Whew. Anyway, we're somewhere around 34. Now you gotta look at B, or sorry, C. Sale price of new computer is $600. It was originally priced for $700. Around $599 to $600. That's just silly not to. So, original price was $700. So that means it's 100 out of 700. Ooh, this one might be the winner. I'm going to stop dividing right there, because so far we're looking pretty good with C, huh? Now let's check D. Okay, remember 3 is a trick. So our original is 150, no, our original is 163. Oh, not quite. All right. We did not have an answer with C, did we? Oops. D is 7%. If you look, we have 28 for A, 34 for B. So even if you say, oh, I did my work on a scratch paper, awesome. Why don't I see some percentages written out there? To get points for that one, you need to have all of this and the correct answer.